What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to Chuds BBQ. My name is Bradley Robinson, and today I'm going to show you how I put together this. Beautiful, clean, fresh off the line, shiny, amazing, all new Chud grill. And we're going to make some poppers and some chicken tenders and some grilled lamb chops. But really, we're going to talk about how to put together the all new Chud grill. Coming up. There it is, folks. First Chud grill off the production line in 2 conveniently sized boxes. It's always a little nerve-wracking doing the first one because we don't know if the boxes are going to work and if anything got damaged in shipping, but I guess we're going to find out. So let's get this thing unboxed. Nice. Came with instructions. That'll be helpful. Ooh. I do love how neat and tidy everything is. Our fab guys certainly do great work. So there is the contents of box number 1. You got the base plate, the legs. This whole section is the side table, which is sold separately. We got the beautiful stainless steel handle right here for lifting up the lid. Hardware, thermometers, dampers, wheels, latch, and the side handles. But now it's time to open up box number 2. Grill grate. Big heavy door. Oh boy. There it is. Honestly, not bad. Not too many pieces. Pretty easy unboxing so far. And everything's looking nice and shiny. New Chud grill is here, Bones. How do you feel?
Ready to put some stuff together.
We're gonna read the instructions this time?
Not well.
Oh, look at that.
Oh, look at these pictures. I got the gist. Let's do it.
Yep. I love how they do this because the nuts are built in, so you don't have to try and get back in there with a bolt or a nut. Washer?
No, it's a nut. Wait.
Oh my god. What? No way.
Why are we so bad at following directions?
There's literally a picture of the wheel. How many nuts do we get in before we realize that we forgot to put the wheels on? I'm used to just welding everything together, you know. I'm not good with instructions, guys. All right, let's try this again. All right, what's step number 2?
Stand it up.
Oh yeah, put this little bracket in there. Yeah. Heard.
The stiffener.
I really like that this grill isn't gigantic.
Yeah.
It's a lot easier than like an offset or a Chud box or even a pellet grill, you know what I mean?
Oh, yeah.
Pretty pleasant that you can do it on a table. All right, now that the wheels are on, frame is put together, what's the next step?
We're gonna put these things on, which will fit to the box.
So the little corner pieces?
Yeah.
Can you do it by yourself? Nice. Lightweight.
They go in here and they're not symmetrical, so you gotta make sure you put them in the right place.
Time for the patented Chud's notch system. Nice nuts. That was way easier than welding.
I'm just gonna fit this right on here. There's an extra brace down here. Just make sure the front is open so you can use it as storage.
I'm helpful.
Like a glove.
And now to attach little bolts from the bottom. Look how beautifully welded it is.
So the door is threaded.
Oh, nice.
So just screw this on, keep it in place.
Hinges fully assembled, door ready to go on. Big old chunk of 3/16 inch stainless. Beautiful door. Love these inlaid nuts. Beautiful. Door is on, and if you look underneath here, got a nice X for structural integrity as well as a little bit of bottom insulation too. So this thing doesn't warp too badly. I'm just loving how clean it is. Next up, these handles. Love these. These are meant to emulate square tubing, but they're actually 2 separate pieces bent up and bolted together, which makes it a lot easier to make these holes for installing the optional side table.
Bottom screw on the outside, top screw on the inside. Pretty easy.
Is it?
Yeah.
Woo! Next up, we're gonna put these hinges on this lid. And now we're gonna put the screws on the bottom hinge, attaching it to the grill itself. But we're also gonna put this piece on, which is the door stop, which goes just like this. Pretty clever. Beautiful. Look at that beautiful rod. Putting these brackets on, very simple to do. Nice beefy bolt. Starting to look like a grill. I think all we gotta do now is pop these bad boys on and make sure we didn't forget anything. How's the side shelf coming?
You need small fingers or some needle-nose pliers, but
Do you have either?
it's small enough.
We do have needle-nose pliers, you're just too lazy to go get them.
Yeah.
Lots of tiny little bolts though.
Yeah.
Pretty cool assembly though. It's like, what, 6 pieces total?
Yeah. Riveting content.
The riveting content comes next week when the riveting gun gets here. Which you will not have to do, but again, this is first one off the production line, and we gotta get that nameplate on at some point. But when you buy one, it'll already be on there. Look at that shelf. It's a nice shelf. Beautiful. And just like that, fully assembled, did not take very long. And again, just so lightweight and clean. There it is, fully assembled. That looks good. Unlock that wheel if you're gonna try and spin it. Yeah. Ooh, great upgrade. I love when you put together a new grill, but it's like, it'll never be this clean ever again. Mostly because I never clean my pits. There it is.
Nice.
Oh, that looks so good. Beautiful. Sliding grate system upgrade. Highly recommend it though. We got pretty much every conceivable option. If you want to grill on both sides, if you want to griddle on both sides for some reason, or whatever your heart desires. Looking good. But now, I think it's time we burn this thing in. Let's see how it cooks. Hey, no, the grill doesn't wobble. We're just on grass because we haven't put pavers down yet. One day, though. So to get this grill seasoned up, it's like any other grill. I'm just burning it out, really. There's no weird oils or anything I have to worry about. It's not made out of a propane tank, so I don't have to worry about any chemicals, dirty steel or anything like that because it's stainless. So I've got it up to about 500, 550 degrees. It's been there for about, I don't know, 45 minutes, just kind of letting the steel warm up, cook through. And now we're gonna hit it with some oil. Looking good, getting some color on there. That grate is turning blue. So I'm gonna grab some avocado oil or any kind of cooking oil you got, beef fat, anything. I'm just gonna go in there and spray this thing all around. Just start building up some patina, hit the lid as well. And just let this thing keep on burning out for a little bit. Oh yeah, get it all in there. And I gotta say, it is super nice having a stainless steel grill like this because with a regular carbon steel grill, I'd probably be seasoning it right now, which is a big, dirty, messy, hot, kind of dangerous process. A powder coat or a paint will last a good long time, but you always gotta worry about scratching it or something like that. But this, it's pretty much good to go. And while that grill is burning out, it gives us plenty of time for another episode of Bones Tries Something Weird. What's on the docket today, buddy?
We found this tucked away. Mixed bugs.
Mixed bugs, all right.
It's a selection of ready-to-eat mixed bugs seasoned with salt, so it's gotta be good.
Where do you find this stuff?
You found it.
Oh yeah. Amazon is an amazing place.
Okay.
What kind of bugs? Oh.
It looks like really bad ground beef.
Oh.
Oh,
God, that.
Oh, yeah.
They really didn't try to make that look appetizing. Look at that juicy one.
Ooh. Should I try that one first?
First.
I'm gonna try them all.
Make a bug taco. Oh, crunchy.
It's actually really good.
One day we're gonna find something that just makes you throw up.
It's kind of like, it's earthy. It's seasoned well. It's not bad at all.
I watched a video the other day that bug meat is extremely similar to crab meat.
Crab meat?
Yeah, that's what they're the bugs of the sea.
That's what it is. It kind of tastes like crab.
Really?
Like a dirty crab.
Oh, God, there's some juicy ones here. Look at that larva. The things we do. Not bad. Could use some heat.
Yeah.
A little chili powder on there.
Yep. I'm gonna eat this whole thing. It's great.
If you were blindfolded and just started popping those back, you'd have no qualms with it. But
Yeah.
looking them in the eye, kind of weird.
Grasshopper.
I'm a beautiful butterfly.
I'm gonna just eat all of these.
All right, enjoy your snack, buddy. And now that our lovely appetizer is over, you know we're not gonna let that fire go to waste. So right here we got a pretty classic spread for grill night at the Chud shop. We got some jalapeno poppers, we got some chicken tenders, and of course we got some beautiful little lamb chops here, little T-bones. And we're gonna season them up with our new line of grill rubs because it just seems appropriate, starting with our poultry rub on the poultry. Love this stuff, can't get enough. And grilled chicken tenders, come on, nothing wrong with that, folks. Flip them over, top and bottom, and please, folks, don't forget the sides. Come on, that'd be a rookie move. Just get these tossed and rolled around. Nothing fancy here. I did take the tenders out, and by that I mean the tendons, which is why they're kind of mangled a little bit. Not my best work. The old fork trick, though. Beautiful. For these jalapeno poppers, we're going on with our pork rub. This is a sweet rub, and should be absolutely perfect on some poppers. A little bit of savory, a little bit of sweet. Got some good color to it. Black pepper, a little apple cider vinegar in there too, for a nice balanced popper. And then for these beautiful lamb chops, first things first, we're gonna pat them dry and hit them with some good old-fashioned Chuds BBQ steak rub. A little SPG, got some tomato powder, but just a bunch of good flavors, but really salt, pepper focused. So the steak, or in this case lamb chops, really shine through. And you can go on nice and heavy, which is great. And just like that, our mini feast is ready to hit the grill. Out here at the grill, everything is looking absolutely beautiful, seasoned up very nicely, except for right there where I was trying to scrape some stuff and totally messed up the patina, but that's fine, it'll get there in time. But we're ripping hot, so it's time to throw on some meat. One more spray, just because it's new grates. Love having a side table. Gonna go indirect with these poppers on the griddle side. Get that bacon nice and crispy. Chicken tenders go on this side over here. Got some coals underneath them, but most of the coals are kind of back left. Getting some sizzle though, and then lamb chops. We'll go right in the hot zone. That's a good looking setup to me. You can certainly fit a lot of food on this bad boy. Oh yeah, that's searing up real quick. Well, we're gonna shut this down and let that heat kind of start flowing. I'm gonna shut this vent on top to get some airflow going this way to get that bacon nice and crispy. Oh yeah, love grilling lamb chops. Don't forget that fat cap, folks. Oh yeah. Got those chops over to the left side once we got some beautiful color on there. Now I'm giving a nice hot kiss of flame to these chicken tendies. Get a little extra color on them and a little more heat on these poppers too. Why not? Not a bad looking spread, folks. I'm excited to dive into one of these bad boys. Love it. Bones, you hungry?
I am.
You didn't have enough bugs? All right, what are you going for first?
Gonna go with the appetizer. With a little popper.
A little
over here.
popski. Not my best cook on poppers. Usually go a bit. Ooh, that's toasty. Came off last. Let's start with it. That's some hot cream cheese.
That's really good. I love poppers.
Can't go wrong with a good popper, you know? A little bit of heat, a little bit of sweet, bacon, jalapeno, cream cheese all over the table. I used to eat these all the time. Like
I remember.
if I fired up a pit, throw some poppers on.
Always.
I do love a good little grilled chicken tender though. Now, they're just so juicy, quick cook, good rub, good little appetizer. And perfect for dipping in that cream cheese that squirted out of your popper. That rub is so good.
It really is.
I haven't had a good lamb chop in a while.
I'm excited for these.
Are these lamb chops, or is like from the rack a lamb chop?
No, I think a chop.
They're both chops?
No. What's a chop?
Well, let us know. Perfect cook on that. The best part about these, you don't have to slice them, grill them up. They cook in like 30 seconds. Get a big plate of them, hand them out at a party. First time having that steak rub on lamb. Works out very well. That little fillet of lamb.
Yep.
So tender. Forget everything else. I'm just gonna eat these from now on. This is how we have to do lamb content now. We have to sneak it in at the end of a grill assembly vid.
We just want to eat lamb.
It's just juicy. It's tender. You guys like lamb, you just don't know it yet. Turns out grill rubs, ungrillable foods on a grill, very good. And with this very last bite of chicken, I think it's time for the official taste test. All right, y'all, and that is it. That is the assembly of the all-new Chuds BBQ stainless steel flat pack shippable charcoal grill. I put together a lot of grills and pellet grills and things like that in my day, and this one's really straightforward. And like I keep saying, it's really nice to have a cooker that's lightweight and really clean. Don't have to worry about paint or seasoning or anything like that. And a pit that doesn't weigh 400 pounds that I can pretty easily put in the back of my pickup truck is a great addition to the arsenal. Also, big shout out to everyone who bought a grill from the first round. I hope you are enjoying them. And like everything I build, I am all ears for any improvements or changes or designs or things you want to see added to the grill, because that's the fun part about making these, is kind of improving them over time and just trying to make the best charcoal cooker we possibly can. And we are going to be doing another batch very soon, probably in the next few months, definitely before the end of the year. So be sure to stay tuned for that. You can always go to our website and sign up for the newsletter. We don't send spam emails or anything like that. It's literally just updates on pre-orders and new product announcements and things like that, if you want to get one for yourself. But all that being said, if you enjoyed this video, let me know by hitting that subscribe button. Let YouTube know by dropping a like on this video. If you get a charcoal grill like this for yourself, be sure to tag me on Instagram at Chuds BBQ. I'd love to see what y'all are cooking. Big shout out to all the Patreon members. Thank you for supporting Team Chud and allowing me to keep making all these videos. And until the next time I see you, please go cook something outside. Peace.